This is a video chart presentation of AEterna Zentaris, brought to you by AllPennyStocks.com. It's a NASDAQ Global Market stock trading our ticker AEZS. You can tell right off without even seeing the whole chart, this is a bottom play. Stock's lost a lot of its value from up here around $13 all the way down to around $2. I will say I believe the stock went through a reverse split recently, so these are split adjusted prices. But regardless, it's lost a great deal of its value. But there has been 3 straight green closes. Volume picked up on Tuesday. Stock closed near the high of the day. And to that end, this chart's taken on a pretty nice look for a bottom play. Now in the short term, MACD is trending back towards zero. Histogram bars are on top of zero. Some people refer to that as the fast line leading the slow line, meaning that the 12 EMA is on top of the 26 EMA. And even though the MACD is below that benchmark bullish point of breaking through zero, it is trending that direction and supporting the idea of a possible trend shift. PPO exaggerates that a little bit. See the trend back towards zero. ADX in a very nice reversal position with the negative DI coming down, the positive DI heading upward. I'll be looking for the bullish cross, the positive DI breaking through the ADX. Money flow index reflects the buying pressure. 7, 14, and 21 all moving towards 50. As always, I want to see them trending on the upper half of that indicator to show continued bullishness, similar to through here. Accumulation distribution, basically holding a base, even with substantial selling pressure coming into the play, tells me people are still buying up the stock. That's reiterated by this Chaikin money flow, which has been trending down here in the red for the past couple months, saying that selling pressure has been outweighing buying pressure. You can see here recently, moved back through zero. Buying pressure over the last 20 periods is now outweighing selling pressure. Bottom feeders like to see this CCI breaking through negative 100. It's the first signs of bullishness, higher prices being paid. And bottom feeders that are technical traders will use that break of negative 100 as the buy point, and it'd be a hold unless it breaks back down through negative 100. Full stow, making a slightly higher low. Now moving back towards 50, showing that some bullish momentum is trying to come into play. Again, similar to other indicators, I want to see it trending over top of 50. It's a much more bullish situation when that's going on. The tricks also a gauge of trend. Looks like it's about ready to drop a bullish cross. RSIs, as I look for in so many bounces, coming out of oversold, now making their way towards 50. Point this out in a lot of charts. See what happens when the longer term, the red and gold lines, 14 and 21 RSIs, move their way through 50, start holding the upper half of the indicator. A lot of strength in the move, more than a double from the point it broke through 50 to the highs. So again, I'll be looking for the 14 and 21, make their way through 50, and hold that position. From a support and resistance standpoint, bottom support at $1.75. Price per share is trying to push through a secondary resistance point right now, but I think that resistance will actually pick up in the area of 225 to 230. Now if it breaks through that point, the upside's quite substantial, because I don't see more resistance coming in play until above this 50-day moving average, and at a level where stock's at almost $1 a share, which is about a 40% move from current points. Beyond that, you're coming up to old highs, see 507, right through that area would be tough. Certainly the challenge of the 200-day moving average, large gap still to fill, but to keep things short-term focused, it's encouraging to see this volume bar pick up yesterday as the stock climbed about 8.5%, 1.1 million shares traded. There's plenty of liquidity. I'll want to see that volume stay strong because I want to see resistance points taken out with as much volume as possible. If that volume stays heavy, they can take out this 230 area. I'd suspect it's going to go up and challenge at least the 50-day and perhaps this next level of resistance. Those are the type of things that I'd be looking for in the AEZS chart. But as always, it's merely my interpretation. I'm not a financial consultant. Strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the AllPennyStocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure, and do not base any investment decisions upon any material found on the website and/or video chart. No person employed by AllPenny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching, and trade smart.